Baddy Squad Open Tournament, 2nd June bronze match. So Prasanna is our referee, and Sai and Bharat versus Banu and Avinash. It's gonna be a tough fight. So it's a 30-point game. 15-point coach change kada. 30 points, 50 points coach change. So let's see. We're going to see an exciting bronze match, followed by final. It's an away. Good leave by Banu. 1 love. The score is good shot by Bharat. Come on, bro. Bronze. Goody trophy kosam. Goody trophy and cash prize. Bro, I drop it. Drop it. Ante drop. Score. Good shot by Banu. Two five. Everdi telsa. Guys, 5532 car everdi. 5532 car. Midena. Midi kada? Okay. అంటే మీరు వస్తుంటే మీరే గైస్ 5532 కార్ ఎవరు లేరు మళ్ళా తీయరాదంట అగో జగన్ బ్రో వస్తున్నాడు జగన్ ఏం బ్రో ఏ లోకంలో ఉన్నారు మీకే మళ్ళా తీయరాదు శ్రీరామ్ ఓకే 7-4, so 3 points lead. Kotali. Straight, easy, hengal. Easy. Sai bro, come on, easy. Come back. Missed by Avinash. 5-9. 4-point deficit. Let's see if they can come back. It's a 30-point game, so they have a good chance to come back. Again missed by Sai bro. 10-5. He needs to come back very quick. Ball Agnes by Bharat now. Come on guys, no mistakes. Easy. Chalo, easy. Pampandi, venaki pampandi. Easy, venaki pampandi. Score 13-5, so very huge lead again. Head shot by Bharat, good shot. 6-13, come on guys, easy. Nice. Power. 14-6. Away. 30 points. 30 points. Le 30 points. So score is 15-7. Good leave by Sai. 8-15. It's a bronze match, so let's see. Away, good leave. 9:15. $10-15, so good comeback. Now they are trying to come back. Let's see. But 5 more points. It's a huge lead. Missed by Banu. 11-15, so just 4 points now. They have good chance to come back. It's unfortunate. 16-11. Good call. Away. Missed by Avinash. So 12-17, 5 points deficit again. Let's see if Saibro can come back in his serves. What a drop by Banu. 18-12, huge lead, 6 points deficit, 6 points lead. Avinash to serve, good shot. Good shot again by Bharat, good one. They need the spirit. (13-18), 14-18. Saiwala is 14. (14-18), so 4 points. Easy Bharat bro. 19-14. Score 15-19, so just 4 points deficit. Let's see if they can come back. It's the right time. What a drop by Banu. Come on guys, come on guys. Oh, excellent play, excellent play. Good rally guys, good rally. (16-20), so 4 points. Easy! 21-16. Bad luck, Engal, bad luck. 22-16. 22-16. 17-22, come on guys. Excellent call, excellent. Come on. 18-22, 4 points. Good play guys, good play. Come on. Nice gameplay. Same, 19-22. 19-22, so just 3 points now, and they're in a good touch now. So let's see if they can get back these 3 points. Oh, the place. Away. Bad luck. 24-19. So 5 points lead. Avinash to serve. (20-24), so they have still hope. Just 4 points if they want to come back. Come on, easy straight. 25-20. So it's going to be tough now for Sai and Bharat if they want to come back. Good drop. Wow, what a drop by Banu. Excellent drop. 26-20. What a cross drop by Banu. Incredible to see that. Good one, Sai bro. Come on, come on. Never give up, never give up. 21, 26. Away, excellent, nice leave. Come on, bro, only 4 points. Come on, come on. 22, 26, just 4 points deficit. And this is the right time if they want to come back. Otherwise, it's going to be tough. What a drop, what a drop. 23, 26, come on, this is what is needed. Missed by Avinash, 24, 26, it's going to be costly. Let's see. Hey, straight. 27, 24, come on guys, never give up. One break, one break. 27, 24. Excellent shot, Bharat bro, excellent shot. 25, 27. 2 points. What a game. Wow, what a play by Bhanu. What a game play by Bhanu.
Come on, bro.
Score 29, 25, 29 game point, 25. So 4 chances, 4 game points. Oh, missed by Avinash.
3 more.
Chalo, never give up. Never give up. Control.
3 points only.
26, 29. 26, 29 game points. So 3 chances. If they control 3 of
Good
them.
way.
Away. Nice, nice guys. Just 2 points. 27, 29. Excellent boy, excellent. Come on, 1 point. Come on, come on. 28, 29. What a game, what a game. Just they need 1 point to make it deuce. So let's see. Woo! Come on guys, come on, come on. 29 all, deuce. Deuce, what a comeback, what a comeback.
Game point.
So it's 30 is the golden point. So let's see. Excellent boys, excellent.